Nowadays, many sellers are improving themselves with AI, like for the Amazon keyword research. If you are still doing the research manually, you are already behind. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can use Claude AI to take your keyword research in the next level. As PPC managers, we rely heavily on tools and experiences. But AI, like Claude, can process massive amount of data, identify patterns, and generate keyword strategies much faster than any human. The goal is not to replace your expertise, it's just to amplify it. I will walk you through how to use Claude AI for Amazon keyword research, how to structure your prompts, and how to turn raw data into actionable PPC strategies that actually drive results. Many of us are using ChatGPT and other AI platforms for researching, but Claude can give you a massive data. Just same thing, if we ask to the ChatGPT and we ask to the Claude, you will get the difference what's the result actually you are getting from there. But in this case, you have to keep on your mind that here actually prompts is very important. Like what's the prompts you are putting to the search bar, so it will actually depend what's the data actually you will get from there. Let me show you how you can put the prompts here and how you can get a better result from Claude. First of all, you need to download this. So from Google, you can just write down Claude AI download, and then you have to click here download Claude. Now here we are. So from here you can download this for your Windows. After downloading Claude, you will get this interface, and here you can put your prompt. Now here I will put prompt by explaining everything what's the data actually I want to see. So let's see what's the data actually we get from here. So I am actually putting the prompt here, like conduct Amazon keyword research for this product. Like I have put the product link, and also I just said that what the product is, like GPS tracker. And also I need a comprehensive keyword research report in a spreadsheet by making sure that only Claude keywords that are relevant to my product. So now I am just inputting this. Let's see what's that actually we get from here. It will take 2 minutes to prepare the report. It's preparing data for me. Here you can see the data is ready. I got the data. So let me open the Excel sheet. Here you can see we got the data, and it's really impressive because this is the report actually very well organized. Here you can see that like we got the keywords for the Italy marketplace, as I have put the link for the Italy marketplace. So you can see here that what's the keyword actually will be good for us. You can also see here that like what is the shopper's intent, broad or generic, anything else. And also you can see here that the monthly search volume as well. And also you can see that like how is the competition, like where actually the competition is high, so it's already mentioning here. And also like if any keywords have the medium competition, you can see from here. If any have low, so you can get from here as well. And here you can see that the relevance score and opportunity flag. So then you can, based on this, actually you can filter by high, and you can check like if those keywords are relevant to your product or not. So then actually you can use those keywords for your product. Here you can see that the language, as it's the mixed language, Italian language, so everything is mentioned here. And here you can see that the notes, how actually you can target this keyword, what's the benefit you will get from here. So everything actually is mentioning here. Now let me check the group summary. So here you can see the shoppers intent group. So those are the intent group, and here are the keywords, what's the keyword actually Claude giving you. And also you can see here that the search volume for the like intent group, and as well you can see that the competition, opportunities, everything. Now the opportunities and strategies. From here you can see what's the opportunities you are gonna get from the keyword. End of the list, I got a suggestion how I can update my product title and bullet points. So then I can get a better idea what's the keyword actually I should get, as I got the data with search volume. So it's trustworthy that like if I target or add this keyword to my product title or bullet points, how actually I can get benefit from there, because it will help me for SEO, as like those keywords have higher search volume. So this way you can prompt to the Claude to get advanced level data from here. Not only keyword research, you can search for other data and you can get a better result from here. So I am suggesting you that you can use this from your side to research the keywords. Not only the keyword research, you can use this for like multiple purpose as well. It will really save your time, and also you will get accurate data from here. I hope you have a better idea now how you can use Claude AI and how you can get a benefit from here. Further, if you have any confusion, you can let us know in the comment section. Also, you can mail us info@econclips.com. We'll see you in the next video with another topic. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.